This is my ghost pepper plant right here. I've been growing this for 3 months. All I did was give it some fertilizer and some mulch. Not even mulch, just a little bit of potting soil and fertilizer. That's about, I had about 3 months, so it's about maybe about 4 or 5 months old maybe. It was about half the size when I planted it. It had a little water damage, water rot from being in the pot down here, but the top leaves are getting better and it's flourishing. We got a bell pepper plant. Got a pepper coming in, a couple of peppers coming in here. Banana pepper plant. Still green, one of them. This the sweet banana peppers. And this is the hot banana pepper. Coming in. I don't know why this one's yellow. Smaller. This one's green. I don't know why. If anybody know, let me know in the comment section. Give me any tips or anything. So far they're looking good. I don't know what this stuff is on my leaves. Going pretty good. This is the red bell pepper. I mean red bell peppers. This is the red bell pepper. One of them turning red. Got a couple of them growing there. Another one right here. Little one, big one, baby one coming in. The green bell pepper just died on me. If anybody knows what I did wrong, please let me know. I don't know if it's dead or it's just shock, transplant shock or what. This is the cucumber plant. Flourishing. Keep going. Little cucumbers growing here. I kind of hand pollinated that one. These flowers here. I don't know if it works. Jalapeno plant. Jalapeno growing on that. Little baby jalapeno. Doing alright. Got another jalapeno plant right here. Baby. This one was planted first.